Okay, now I'm going to perform for you a little oil and water I call the oil spill cleanup. I've got 4 black cards and 4 red cards, as you can see, nothing else. I'm going to mix them up. As you know, oil and water does not mix. If you let the cards settle, the oil floats to the top, the water sinks to the bottom, just like that. All the oil on top, all the water on bottom. If you give them a little shake like this, you can actually really mix them up. It's kind of crazy. Some are facing down, some are facing up, facing down, facing up, face down, face up, face down, and face up. All I have to do is let the card settle. All the oil floats to the top. All the water sinks down to the bottom. They still unmix. I'll mix them up one more time. Now, just to make this more interesting, not only am I going to mix up these 8 cards, but if I do it with the whole deck, it'll make it a lot more impressive, so I'll use the whole deck. It's like this. I'm going to shuffle the cards. Just mix them up a little bit here. Really mix them up. Just shuffle them up. Okay, now just square them up here. Okay, now watch closely. I'm just going to squeeze them. As you can see, half the deck has vanished. Not only did I unmix all the cards, as you can see, all that's left is all the red cards. Over here in the box I hear something. Could have been all of the black cards. That's oil and water.
Hello, you want to master the art of magic, not just learn tricks, not just learn one trick, but all the best magic. Welcome to Master Magic Membership, the world's greatest online magic course, created by me, Darin Martineau. I'm the protege of Alan Ackerman. Um, I know what it's like to struggle to learn the art of magic. For many years, I struggled um, as a beginner, and you struggle to learn from books with slow progress and with confusion. And I struggled for many years until I met my mentor, Alan Ackerman, who is one of the world's greatest card magicians. So if you're tired of piecing together video tutorials from random sources and stuck watching disjointed YouTube videos that don't teach correct or deep magic technique or magic structure, learning magic can feel overwhelming and lonely. And now, if you add in advice from one of my mentors, Gary Darwin, in order to get a foundation in the art of magic, you'll need at least 50 of the classic magic books. And if you get them, they cost on an average of $50 for the good books, and that's a total of $2,500 just in magic books alone. Then for magic videos, that's about $30 per video. So if you get about 50 of those, that's another $1,500. That's a total of 4,000, and we don't even have magic props yet. So let's just say, as an example, you need 50 magic props, even though it depends on what you need, whether you want to do street magic or stage or whatever you want to do. But let's just say an example, you need 50 props that cost $50 each. That's another 2,500. So now you're at a total of $6,500. So what we offer you is a solution to save you a ton of time and a ton of money on learning the art of magic. With the Master Magic membership, it's just $20 a month, and you get access to thousands of our exclusive instructional magic videos with new original magic. And we also give you a solid foundation in the classic books. You'll get hundreds of the classic books. Uh, so you're going to learn, you're going to get instant access to thousands of instructional videos and books from card magic, coin magic, close up, stage magic, mentalism, and much more. So if you're ready to learn the art of magic and learn it correctly, click on the link now and join Master Magic membership. Thank you.